There's a common issue with some roof tiles in the UK. Coloured concrete tiles can often lose their pigment due to acid rain, weathering and UV damage. The good news is there is a solution. We use a product from SmartSeal which is designed specifically for concrete tiles with this issue. We can get rid of the patchy appearance by applying this product, spraying it onto the tiles, giving that uniform finish and also a waterproof coating. We'll be transforming the roof today with a nice uniform grey which will completely transform the house. Take a closer look. So if you've got a roof that is starting to look patchy, then get in touch today and book your free site survey and quotation where we can fully clean and recoat your roof, giving you that uniform appearance that you're looking for. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for a video for some more information on different types of roof tiles, or click here for some roof cleaning videos.